Are you looking to make extra money on the side? Or are you looking to figure out or know how you can make from $75 up to $600 per day giving your opinions? Yes, this is real life opinions on a product or a service or X, Y, and Z, something that I have done myself. And I'm definitely here to share that with you guys, so you know, where I'll talk about side hustles and how to make additional streams of income. So let's get into it. It's me, your boy Jeronakeem, and I am back with another video. And like I said, today we're going to talk about side hustle. Not only a different side hustle, but a side hustle that I have done and got paid from giving my opinion on a product. Now, basically, what we're going to talk about is two companies that I've worked with in the past. I'm also going to give you another way to find other companies in your area, just in case, like I said, I am located in Charlotte, North Carolina. And if these two companies that we're going to go over today are not in your area, I'm going to give you some keywords to search for, to look up these companies, to fill out, apply online so you can get in their database. So when they do have any products or service or anything you want to get your opinion on, you will get paid on these. Now, like I said, I have done one before. We'll talk about that later on to the video. And definitely make sure you stay tuned throughout the whole video, because at the end, I'm also going to talk about another cool thing that I've done before. It doesn't pay as much, but it's also something cool, really easy, really quick to do if you like reading, like being in the know with notes or anything. So we're going to talk about another stream or something else I found as well at the end of this video. Definitely don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get into it. All right. So I am on my computer because I'm looking at the screen while talking to you guys, but I'm going to go ahead and bring up a screenshot. So basically what this is marketing research. So marketing research is when basically they send you out stuff, you can answer questions, get your honest reviews and opinions on things like that. And like I said, I've done one before. Now the one that I did before is with this company called L&E Research. Now they are located here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Now what I did was I went in, it was like, I want to say about 20 of us. We went in, and like I said, you don't know what you're reviewing, you don't know what the product is sometimes at first, but then they'll tell you like, hey, we're gonna get your opinions. Mine was lottery tickets, so we did like a whole panel review on lottery tickets, like what makes you want to buy a lottery ticket. Is the colors, is it the price? And then we did like sample size, so they gave us like, hey, what do you think about this lottery ticket on a scale of 1 to 10? Like, would you something you would buy? What's something you would change about this? What, you know, something that in the title or the description of the lottery ticket, do you think it's something you'll be interested in purchasing? All those type of questions. Now, we'll say that one lasted 60 minutes, so it was kind of fun because like I said, gave us drinks, food at the same time. It was kind of fun because like I said, that was my first time doing one, and I remember that lasted every bit of 60 minutes, and they paid me $150. So $150 for giving my opinion on something, rating it on a scale 1 to 5, 1 to 10, how I like it, what I would change, what would make you want to buy it. And like I said, they paid me $150. So I'm bringing my screen here. We're going to talk about L&E Research. It's one of them that they're always looking for people. Now, what will happen is, I will say some of these you do have to qualify for. So they'll ask you questions like, you know, how many people in your household? Do you have kids? Do you have pets? What's your median income? Because they have a target audience that they are trying to target, and they want to know if you meet the criteria, and then they'll say they'll bring you in for basically the study to do, and then they always will tell you beforehand how you will get paid on those. So L&E Research is a very, very good one. Like I said, I've actually done work for them before myself, so definitely look into them. Like I said, I'll have the description to these in the description box below, so definitely check that out. Now, the second one we're going to talk about is AOC Marketing Research. Now, this one on average, this is the banger, because this one on average, they pay between $50 up to $600. Now, $50 up to $600 per session. Now, these sessions could go anywhere from 30 minutes to 2 hours. The longest I've seen was 2.5 hours that they had one time, and that 2.5 hour one was paying $425. Now, like I said, what will happen is you just go ahead, sign up in their database, so when they do have things, studies come out and they feel like you'll be a match for, basically to reach out to you to say, hey, we have the study come up, please answer these questions to see if you qualify, if you will be a good match. Now, we'll say out of these two marketing research databases that I am in, I will say I probably get on average 4 to 5 emails per week on each one. Now, a lot of times, some of these don't work with my schedule because, as you all know, I am a full-time corporate guy, customer success manager, entrepreneur. I have my notary, long sign agent business, content creator. So sometimes I can't do these, but I still like to go through to see which ones I would qualify for. Now, personally, the highest one that I've qualified for with AOC, I did a study. It was, actually, yeah, that was 185. That was 185. Now, that one, I will say they did pay us in a Visa gift card. Now, it's a way around that to get cash off a Visa gift card. I'm pretty sure you all know that. If you don't, just Google. Go on YouTube, how to get cash off a Visa gift card. A bunch of videos will pop up with PayPal. But a bunch of videos will pop up to show you how you can get money off a Visa gift card. Like I said, they did pay out that way for that particular one, but others I've seen they do pay you cash. So AOC Marketing Research is another good one that you guys should definitely look into. Like I said, I'll put the link to that one in the description box. Well, I can't talk today, I'm talking so fast. Definitely check that one out because that's a really, really good one to add to your bucket. Now, before we move on, like I said, those are my top two. Now, you may have more in your area. So like I said, when you go on Google, just go ahead and type in marketing research and it'll pull up local ones in your area. And I would suggest just go ahead and fill it out, sign up, get it in their database. So when they have these studies that come out that you may qualify for, definitely fill them out, let me know. And also come back here and let me know in the comments below, like if you found some, if you've done this before, definitely comment below so other people can see like this is a real legit thing. Like this is not no survey, somebody's emailing you. Like a lot of times, a lot of them either you're gonna go on site to do these studies, or some of them you can do via Zoom. So it just depends on location, and also depends on what the study is. If they have like products they actually want you to touch and feel, you go on site, or if they have products or something they just want a general questions for you, you can do it via Zoom. So definitely check that out. And if you like this video, definitely give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments below if you want to see more of these, but definitely check this out. Now, last but not least, another cool thing I want to bring up, because I actually did this a couple months ago. It's called ejury.com. So basically, it's a e-jury. So you're a juror, but you're doing it online, like electronic. So what it is they'll send a case out and say, hey, this is a case going on. Read through the case, give your opinion if you think they should be found guilty or not guilty, X, Y, Z. Now, you don't know, these are real cases. Let me go back. These are real cases, but you don't know who the actual case is about. So they give you J. Does. Now, I've done 3 of these so far, and on average, the only 3 that I did, they paid out $20 per one. But, I know that's like $20 is nothing. But I will say this took me no more than 15 minutes. So to make $20 per trial for 20 minutes, yeah, sign me up. So I'll definitely put that one in the description box below. Definitely check that out. And once again, that is called eJury. Like I said, I'm just trying to give you guys multiple other ways to make streams of income. Like I said, versus it being on home on your computer. If you want to do marketing research and you want to do only the ones where it's a Zoom call, or actually go to their site and they pay you for your time. And like I said, AOC sometimes does pay you out in Visa gift cards. But like I said, there are a ton of ways you can get money off a Visa gift card. Ton of ways. Ton of ways. But definitely let me know in the comments below if you guys enjoyed this video, if you want to see more of these. And that's going to do it for this week on our Side Hustle edition. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.